Okay, I'm at CES. There's been a lot of talk on the internet about the Robiton. Are you the owner?
I'm co-founder.
Co-founder of this robot vacuum cleaner that can, what can it do?
Oh yeah, hello everyone, welcome to Robotin. We are the world's first robot carpet wash and drying and vacuum and mop all-in-one solution, especially for carpet washing and drying. This part, we are the only one in the market now.
Right, you're the only one that can do carpet.
Yeah. Especially deep cleaning, I mean washing and drying, not just wash. Yeah, and we design our product like in a modular way. Modular way means that.
So there's modular pieces.
Yeah, this is
like a traditional robot
normal
vacuum.
robot vacuum. They are just one of our modules.
One of the modules.
Yeah,
okay.
we got this tool. This is
That's a carpet cleaning module.
Carpet wash and dry module.
Okay.
Yeah. This Robotin. This is exactly the same one.
Okay, so that's like the head-in unit.
Yeah. This is what we call Robotin.
LiDAR navigation.
Yeah, we have like 12 different type of sensors integrate this Robotin. So we got a perception system here, intelligent algorithm to let the robot know what is surrounding it, to do the obstacle water by himself. Also, it has the humidity sensor to detect how wet the carpet it is, so the robot can dry it out until complete dry.
Okay.
Yeah, and also we got the intelligent dirt detection system, so the robot will know which part of the carpet is more dirty than any other part. If it's going to wash it again until it's complete clean. Yeah, and I'm going to do some little demonstrate about how to switch or how to replace it. Yeah.
Okay, so how does it work?
It's really easy to replace it. Yeah,
Oh, you got the dual brush roller design for long hair.
Yeah. For anti-tangle.
Yeah, that's good.
Separate roller for anti-tangle. Yeah.
So you just snap it on.
Yeah, it's very easy.
Okay.
Yeah, one click. We can put this out. Yeah, it's very easy. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm really anxious to see it clean carpet.
Carpet.
That's a really hard thing to do.
Okay.
Now this is not available for sale right now, right?
Yeah, what we are seeing is the engineer prototype, and we are going to launch it online selling this year, 2026.
This year, all right.
Around July.
Okay.
Yeah, and my colleague will show
You're fine.
We'll show some demonstration about this. Yeah. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to introduce our dock.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. So
it's working for some special mission now because we don't have build a map now because this situation is very complicated. But what we can see is we got a fish tail design here. This fish tail design actually is a suction head. It's for suctioning the dirty water from the carpet.
Okay.
Yeah, we got very powerful motor, industrial grade motor here, offering like 50 CFM suction power.
What's it doing right now?
Normally, it's going to release the water.
It's not doing that right now.
It will release, but not that much water because we don't want to put that so wet here. Yeah, we don't want to be so wet here.
Okay.
Yeah, normally, it's collect the dirty water from this suction head. Okay. Yeah. Also, we got not just wash it and we'll dry it out after the washing. Yeah. So it may be stopped now.
Okay.
Just a little demonstration. Yeah.
So
it will go, normally it will go back to the stock.
So this will go back to the dock.
Automatically go back to the dock to
It'll empty the dirty water.
Yeah. Also do the water refilling.
Replenish the water. Okay. We got a clean water tank and a dirty water tank.
No, this is all clean water tank.
Both clean water tanks.
Yeah. About 9 liters. Yeah.
Okay.
Why we got this so big is because one fill for the clean water tank, our robot can finish like 300 to 400 square feet carpet wash and dry in just 3 hours.
Does it have a dirty water tank?
Yeah, here.
Oh, it's there. Okay.
Yeah.
So the dirty water tank's there, 2 clean water tanks.
Yeah. And one more, we got the rapid heat technology to offer like 140 Fahrenheit degree hot water to enhance the carpet washing procedure. Yeah. Hot water will be
So what
helpful.
does the dock do?
Yeah.
With the carpet cleaner?
One more. Like we also got the detergent box here.
Okay, detergent?
Yeah, we can do the auto mix in the app. Let us show the app. Yeah. Oh, here. Give me the app. Yeah. Also, this space is a storage.
Oh, for the extra
yeah.
module. So there's a storage space for the module. That's awesome. I like that.
Yeah. You like it, right? Yeah. And also, for the mop washing, the mop drying also integrated in the ductile.
Okay.
It's all in this.
But
Yeah.
I'm really interested. Can you show me the bottom of this?
No problem. By the way, one Grange for the app. This is our app.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we put different module on it. Which one you were bought, they will show it here. And this is the top management page.
Yeah, there's what the app's
so
gonna look
everything like the temperature, the liquid level, the rate, the detergent level, the ratio, whatever you want here.
Okay. Ah.
You can address it. It's auto max.
Okay.
Yeah. 这个不讲，一会儿。讲了，刚才已经对讲过了，对。This is
Okay,
the back.
here it is, the big reveal.
Yeah, we got a three-stage automatic carpet wash system here. Yeah, just like 2002, iRobot invented their robot vacuum, so they got a three-stage robot vacuum system. We got our ways.
So here's the suction
head. This first is the suction head. Yeah, and that is the drum brush roller. Yeah, and for the deep brake. And also we got the hot air conduct here.
Okay,
the whole carpet drive out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does it have a side brush?
Yeah. Side brush for this.
Oh, okay.
That one. Here. It's the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's the same. Yeah.
The head unit always has the side brush. Okay.
Yeah. It's very easy to detach it. Yeah.
Can it go up and down over thresholds, lift itself?
Yeah, of course. At least like 3 to 4 centimeters over the threshold.
Can it adapt to different thicknesses of carpet? Okay.
Yeah. No problem. Yeah.
So this is the brush head.
Yeah.
Where does the solution come out at?
Solution come out. Actually, when the we all do the Automax with the detergent and the water together, it will get into this robot.
So this
cleaning
has
water
an
tank.
internal water tank?
Yeah. Also, we have the internal dirty water tank.
And an internal dirty water tank.
Yeah.
Two tanks, yep.
Yeah, the robot has that. The dog also has that.
Yeah, okay.
That's the way we do.
Nice, I like it.
You like it, right? Oh, and an awesome index design.
But the ultimate test is going to be how well does it clean?
Yeah, of course. We will go launch more test video in the later.
Okay.
Yeah. Welcome to watch more video on our YouTube channel. We got some like juice, wine, or coffee. We got this kind of top 10 tests on the video.
Let's get the sign.
Oh.
Stand over here. Okay, so I review robot vacuum cleaners for a living, and this one is going to be pretty cool. We are going to purchase it with our own money. We're going to put it through the testing, but so far what I'm seeing looks pretty cool. I want to thank you very much for showing it, and if this is released in 2026, I will be buying it.
Always for that.